Hello and welcome back to my YouTube channel. Assume what I'm saying in the background cause I'm saying it is hectic. So welcome back to a Just Call Me Mine official, and today we'll be baking some cake. So let's start off with the ingredients. Today we have all-purpose flour, sifted and ready to bake. Then we have some sugar, then we have cocoa powder, then oil, then some eggs and milk. That is milk, not water. So let's just dive right in. So you add some sugar to your flour and some cocoa powder. You mix very well. After you've added, you mix very well. Yeah, it's chocolate cake. I know, right? So you mix very well. You just mix it. Ensure that every particle of cocoa is mixed with flour, that so that you don't get some cocoa lagging behind or some flour lagging behind. Just mix it completely well, and yeah. Yeah, and our baking journey is almost over. Yeah, I know you're tired, so you just add milk to your eggs, that is the wet ingredients, to your dry ingredients. Then you mix or you whisk. You can use your whisk, you can use your mixer, you can use anything as long as it's mixed properly. Then you add oil. Yeah. we're almost done. Let's do this. So basically, in a chocolate cake, you can add coffee in order to darken it and to make it more sweet, and that is what we are doing. So you just add 2 tablespoons of coffee into hot water, and you pour it into your already mixture. And now, after pouring it well, you mix it, whisk it. You can whisk it. You can whisk it away. Yep. So you just add some coffee, a little bit of coffee in hot water, and then you add it to the mixture. Then you mix it completely until it is completely mixed. Yep. And we are done. Let's do this. You pour into your baking sheet. You know what I'm saying? It's me barefoot. Anka selfie stick. Place it in your oven for 30 minutes and your cake will be done. So let's prepare the whipping cream. So we just used unprepared whipping cream. We added milk, and that is all. Then you just whisk it until it starts getting creases. Yeah, it starts rising, it starts becoming fluffy, and it will be so sweet. That shit is sweet. Here is the end product. It has been fun baking with you. Keep safe. Bye.